5 things that everybody ought to know about Japanese soy sauce, also known as shoyu. Shoyu, 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 shoyu. Ore ga daisuki. I love shoyu. As you may know, there are 5 different types of soy sauce. The first is going to be koikuchi shoyu, which is your all-purpose soy sauce. Second is going to be usukuchi shoyu, which is your light soy sauce. The third is going to be saishikomi shoyu, which is twice brewed shoyu. The fourth is going to be tamari, which is the thick shoyu left over from miso production. And then the fifth is going to be shiro. Each of these different types of soy sauce have different production methods as well as grades for sort of rating them. These grades are due to umami, which is sort of like the 5th taste, as well as the amount of protein they contain. Is it possible to use Japanese soy sauce for other types of Asian cooking? Yes, you can, of course, unless somebody's going to physically go into your kitchen and stop you from doing that. Don't do that. But it may not taste authentic. And the same goes for using Japanese soy sauce in other types of cooking, like Thai cooking, Chinese cooking, Korean cooking. It's going to taste a little bit different if you're not using the soy sauce from the country where you're trying to cook their food. Here's a couple analogies for you. If you're going to be using tomatoes for an Italian pasta and you use American-grown Roma tomatoes, it's not going to taste the same as if you used Italian-grown San Marzano tomatoes, the real tomatoes from San Marzano, Italy, for example. Yes, they're both going to be tomato sauces, but the flavor is going to be a little bit different. And to really drive this point home, if you were to use Indian basmati rice, which I love, or Thai jasmine rice, which I also love, for your Japanese sushi, yes, it's going to be sushi, but is it going to taste like the sushi that you get in Japan? Probably not. Traditionally, Japanese soy sauce contains just 4 ingredients: soybeans, wheat, water, and salt. And if you see other ingredients listed on the soy sauce package, they may be something like preservatives, coloring agents, or even flavor enhancers, which you may or may not want to avoid. Another thing to keep in mind is that Japanese light soy sauce is not the same as Japanese low-sodium soy sauce. Japanese light soy sauce, also known as usukuchi shoyu, actually contains about 18 to 19% more sodium than regular soy sauce, koikuchi shoyu. If you want the best quality Japanese soy sauce, one of the things that you should look for on the packaging is the kanji marudaizu. Marudaizu means it's the whole soybean that's used to make the soy sauce. So some of the lower quality or the cheaper soy sauces may be produced with soybean pulp. And the pulp is usually what remains after processing to make other products like soybean oil. So as you can imagine, when soy sauce is made with whole soybeans, the flavor is going to be richer and more well-rounded. So when you're looking for soy sauce, next time you're in the supermarket, make sure to look for these 2 characters. And yuki, which means organic in Japanese, is another set of characters that you can look for next time you're shopping as well, if you like to use organic ingredients in your cooking. And if you'd like to cook with Japanese soy sauce, make sure to check out the link in the description to get started today with some of my best recipes.